Have you ever wondered how the car you see on the road actually comes to life? Believe it or not, every car's journey begins with a simple sketch on a piece of paper. That's right, before it ever hits the road, your car was just an idea, a vision in someone's mind brought to life with a few strokes of a pencil. It's a process that combines creativity, technology and teamwork in ways you might never have imagined. But the magic doesn't stop there. In today's car factories, robots and humans work side by side, each playing a crucial role in turning that original sketch into a real, drivable machine. It's a fascinating partnership. Robots bring precision and speed, while humans add the finishing touches and solve tricky problems that machines can't handle alone. Let's take a closer look at how it all comes together. The first step is pure imagination. Every car starts as a wild idea in a designer's head. These designers are like artists, always dreaming up new shapes, styles, and features that could make the next big thing on four wheels. They fill sketchbooks with bold lines and vibrant colors, doodling futuristic rides that look like they belong in a sci-fi movie. Sometimes they're inspired by nature, architecture, or even fashion. The goal? To create a car that's not just functional but also beautiful and unique, something that stands out in a crowd. Once the best sketches are chosen, it's time to bring them into the digital world. Computer artists and designers use powerful software to turn those 2D drawings into detailed 3D models. This is where the car starts to look real. They can spin it around, change the color, and even see how light reflects off the paint. But it's not just about looks. These digital models help the team figure out if the car will actually work on the road, making sure it's aerodynamic, safe, and comfortable. Next, the engineers step in. Think of them as the car's problem solvers and inventors. Their job is to figure out how to fit all the important parts, like the engine, seats, electronics, and safety features, into the design. They pore over blueprints, run calculations, and make sure every piece fits together perfectly. It's a bit like solving a giant high-tech puzzle. Before anything is built, engineers use advanced computer simulations to test their ideas. They can crash test the car virtually, check how it handles in different weather, and even see how it performs in extreme conditions, all without ever leaving their desks. This helps them spot problems early and make improvements before a single part is made. Once the design is perfected, it's time to head to the factory. This is where the real magic happens. Modern car factories are like giant, high-tech playgrounds filled with robots, conveyor belts, and skilled workers. Here, humans and machines work together in a carefully choreographed dance, each doing what they do best. Robots handle the heavy lifting, welding the car's metal body, painting it with flawless precision, and moving big parts from one place to another. Meanwhile, workers focus on the details, like installing the dashboard, fitting the seats, and making sure every button and switch works just right. It's a blend of strength, skill, and attention to detail. But before any car can leave the factory, it has to pass a series of tough tests. Think of it like an athlete preparing for a big competition. The car is checked from top to bottom. Its brakes, lights, engine, and electronics are all tested to make sure everything works perfectly. Some cars even take a spin on a test track to prove they're ready for the real world. If the car passes every test, it's finally ready to roll off the assembly line. It's cleaned, polished, and given a final inspection before being shipped out to dealerships all over the world. Each car is now ready to start its own adventure. So, the next time you see a car on the road or park one in your driveway, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. From a designer's wild imagination to the hands of skilled engineers and factory workers, every car is a masterpiece of creativity, technology, and teamwork. Pretty awesome, right?